Okay, so we're at the Macau border. So basically this whole street is a kind of a pedestrian street. So they're usually repacking their luggage to bring it to the other side after buying a bunch of stuff. So you'll see lots of repackaging luggage, and just kind of we'll see what we can see all the way down. Just to give you a little idea where we're at. People are kind of funneling in all the different sides into our little street for the border here. So yeah, I think that's like Home down that way, Praça down that way as well. And we're gonna film going all the way to the border down that way. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're gonna film, so we're gonna go all the way down. Okay. Kind of got some cool stuff. I think I'm also gonna highlight some of these little side streets as well, because there's like kind of commerce going on all the different sides. So we're gonna walk over to the left a little bit. And as you can see, there's these little things everywhere. So you can park your bike, and then I think there's like little stores and shops both sides. So we got one of those on that side, and then we got another one on the other side. So we're gonna walk across over there next. Pharmacies, those pharmacies are really popular. Tons of people coming in right now. I guess we're gonna have to go to the left again, so I'm going to show you the other one. So the barrio is a neighborhood. So basically these are right there, Hood, Deutsch, the barrio, Vatai. So there's like Deutsch is number 2, so there's like number 2, number 3, number 1, and they go this way, these Vatai. And then you can see people are, I think they're changing money, or maybe buying different goods or selling it, one of the two. I think they're bringing stuff back and forth and then selling it. And usually here they'll sell illegal stuff like cigarettes and all kinds of stuff. And then they're kind of repacking everything as well to bring over to the side, other border. Let's go over on this side. There's another one over here. So all these side streets have let me just kind of take a look here. Yeah, you can see how crowded these side streets are, right? So everybody's kind of coming down, and then you can do some buy and sell stuff right at the last minute on these little side streets. Another pharmacy up there, and then we got another side street over that way as well. So we're gonna try to get across. Let's see if we can get. And there's another one. So this would be called Tres de Barrio Vai. Let me just walk down this way. So that's Tres. So there was Dois, Tres. Tres is number 3. So same kind of thing. People kind of coming in these little side streets as well. And we are going to come back into the main street over here again. So yeah, kind of interesting. So lots of suitcases. Just kind of come over here real quickly. So we'll see how far we can get here. Currency exchanges. Yeah, this is pretty crazy today. I've taken the camera to the border before, but I don't really like it. That guy's like hot. So yeah, basically it's just pouring in this way and also pouring out, pouring in as well. So let's just kind of come over on here for a second. So yeah, so all of them are coming in. So that says Chegadas. Let's see if we can come over to the side a little bit. Oh, that's interesting. So the tour group, I think they're going to take them the opposite way because there's some buses down that way as well. So they're probably going to take the buses. So yeah, this is Chegada. So this is basically arrivals, and they're all kind of pouring in. And over there is the other one. So actually, you know what? I'm gonna just walk in briefly. I'm not gonna get too close to the border. But everybody's here, so it's coming over there. And we're just gonna go over that way and then come back. So that's all coming this way for the arrivals. And then we're gonna come around this way. And all this is the departures. So they're going into mainland China. They were just pouring in. So it looks like they created a little space for us. So I think what we're gonna do is follow this crowd like this. And then I'm gonna take a left right here. Yeah, so right here there's partidas for departures, Macau residents, with kids, deficiencies, students, and children. Yeah, actually it's like pretty busy everywhere today. So all these people are going into mainland China, so they're probably tourists that were here and they're gonna go back home. That's crazy. Yeah, it used to always be this way. I forget the numbers, but there's astronomical amount of people that are going across the border all the time. So anyways, that's what it looks like today. You got people hanging out and they go all the way down, and pretty cool. And then yeah, so that's Partida's departures. So leaving and Chegada's arrivals. We could definitely go lots of different directions, but I kind of want to walk into the people that are all going to the border right now. So looks like they're kind of coming through this way and over on that side. So let's navigate over here. Maybe we can capture. Okay. So yeah, pretty busy day today. So yeah, we're basically at the border, Macau and mainland China. And we're just going to come up to the end of this pedestrian street, and then we're going to end the film in a moment. And maybe we'll should we do some song and dance at the end to keep you here. But yeah, anyways, maybe we'll just end it right there. So yeah, I hope you like this one. Up by the border, Macau and mainland China, February 18, I believe. Dates are always down in the left corner, so you can see exactly when I'm filming. So, all right. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.